Hi, my name is Abhishek Rai and I work for BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management product. Today I'm going to talk about how to create entitlements so users in the same tenant see different SRDs. The plan is to discuss configurations to create entitlements so users in the same tenant see different SRDs. Once you're done with this configuration, you can use this configuration as a base to create complex use cases around entitlements or entitlement packages. During the demo, we will perform configurations on entitlement console. We will also be configuring requestable offering using Service Request Designer. We will review entitlement packages assigned to an end users as well. Let's switch to Entitlement Management Console and perform these configuration. I'm on BMC Remedy IT Service Management IT homepage and I have logged in as ER Administrator User. Click on Application and select Administrator Console, Application Administration Console. Switch to Custom Configuration, scroll it to the end and select Service Request Management. Scroll it again and expand Entitlement. Select Entitlement Management, click Open, expand both of this group. Click on Entitlement Groups. So we need to create two groups, one for our ritual offerings and one for your Windows offering. Let's select your company. So I'm going to select tenant 1. And as I have already configured this use case, but let me show you the configuration of these two groups. So select Windows and click Modify. Company will be pre-populated as you selected in the previous screen. Entitlement group name, you can have anything and then you can provide the description. You need to perform the same for the other group as well. The key over here is to assign users for these groups, and we'll make sure to have one user belongs to both groups so that at the later stage I can show you that that user can see both type of offerings, but the other users will only be able to see particular offerings. So for Windows OS group, I have got CE1, CE2 end users, and for RHL I've got again CE1. So CE1 is the common user and the CE3. You can use this add button to add users over here. Once you're done with this configuration, let's click on close button. Switch to Pupil Qualification Management section and click Create. Over here, make sure that its status is enabled. Pupil qualification name could be anything over here. And then click on Entitlement Group. Click on drop down menu, select your tenant and select your groups. So as I've already done that, let me show you the configuration. So I've got Windows, RHL. Let me show you the configuration of one of these. So Windows only, click View. Same here. So Pupil qualification name and entitlement group over here. Click Close. Once that is done, you would like to switch to Cloud Administration Console and create a requestable offering using the Service Request Designer, or you can edit an existing requestable offering using Service Request Designer and assign these groups which you have created just now. Okay, I'm on a Cloud Administration Console and I've logged in using my Cloud Admin user. Switch to Service Catalog and select your service catalog. Click Edit. Select your service offering, or you can create a new one, but make sure you click show advanced feature so that you can create a requestable offering using Service Request Designer, or you can select your service offering and click on this icon which says edit request definition with SRD Designer. Let's click on that. Okay, so you would like to make your request offering offline to perform editing. Here's a message for that as well. So scroll it down, take offline, and then click next. Switch to entitlement and scroll it down again, click next. Now click on add button over here. Select your title. So it was RHGL only. So these are the two groups which we created just now. Select one of these and entitlement group will be pre-populated. Click on save button and this section will populate the SID name and then the requestable offering name as well. Here is the group and exclusion rule set to no. Once this configuration is done, you would like to make sure that you make this requestable offering online again. So let me go back to welcome section. Yes, scroll it down, click on turn online and then save, and then you can click next and save. Okay, once that is done, click on save button over here again. You need to perform the same configuration for the other group as well. Okay, once that is done, let's log out from here and try to log in with the users we configured for those groups. So let me log in with CE1, which was a common user for both the groups, and see if it can see both type of request offering. Okay, so it can see RHL as well as Windows. So let's log out and log in again using C3, which was belong to Windows group. Okay, so it can only see our ritual basically because this user belongs to our ritual group. So let's log out and log in again using C2 user. Okay, so it can only see Windows requestable offering. Make sure that none of the entitlement packages which is having these requestable offering assigned to the tenant company to whom this user belongs to. If it is so, then these users will be able to see the requestable offering which was there in the packages assigned to the tenant company. I hope this video was informative for you and I would like to thank you for watching this.